If you want to set up an alarm clock on Redmi 15, all you have to do is simply go to the clock app that you can find, for example, in the app drawer. Once you go over here, you can agree to receive notifications from the clock. And besides that, we have some example alarms already set up, which you can use, of course. You can tap on these switches in order to turn them on or off. We can also turn off an alarm for just once for this repeating alarm, because this alarm is repeating. As we can see over here, it is daily. And you can also just completely turn it off. You can tap on these alarms in order to customize them. You can decide when they should go off. You can also go to additional settings, and you can find some additional settings. Now, besides that, of course, if you want to create your own one, you can press this plus over here in the bottom right corner, and you will find similar options over here. You can decide whether the alarm should be repeatable or not. You can also choose specific days of the week by going to customize over here. And that's pretty much it. Once you are done setting up, press this check over here in the top right corner, and then the alarm will go off at some point, of course. If you don't see these alarms, then just make sure that you have alarm option selected over here in the bottom left corner.